Good evening, ICT Tutu. Welcome to our night session, which is your introduction to Industrial Arts 1. Thumbs up nga kung naririnig niyo ako. Hindi na ako naririnig. Okay. And heartbeat nga kung kakain na kayo ng dinner. Okay. And it's and confetti react kung kumakain kayo ng dinner ngayon. Okay lang naman, working dinner. So, walang kumakain sa inyo yun. Okay. So, for the meantime, since this is the first day of our session, and I want you to utilize the chat box in our Zoom session and give me your one word expectation about industrial arts. One, introduction to industrial arts one. So your one word expectation about this course subject. So one word that you might encounter that's related to industrial arts one. Okay, so it can be anything as long as it's in the context of professionalism. For example, the word wood or the word uh, matter. Okay, skills. That's one. Ano guys? Sa Elton dyan lang. 40 kayo mahigit. Isa lang yung nag-type sa chat box. O nag-iisip pa kayo. Okay. How about the others? Hindi to pakiramdaman na optional lang makipag-interact. Mag-interact kayo. Okay, that's one. Pwede Tagalog. Yan. So, of course, ayaw nyo naman na puro theoretical lang yung usapan natin, di ba? So, expect nyo na may mga materials and tools kayo na bibili. Ipag-prepare ko naman kayo para mas less gastos. Pero di naman, siguro for the entire semester, ang magagastos nyo, estimate lang. Hindi naman nakakabot ng 500. Pero syempre, and yung mga materials na magagamit na bibili nyo, is keep nyo naman yun. Magagamit nyo yun pag magpa-practice teaching na kayo or pag mag-observation na kayo for fourth year. So, yung mga materials na bibili nyo, it's yours forever. Okay? Makikip nyo yun. words. Stress. Okay, well, that's part of your college life. Baka may pag-usap sa ka. So, perfect na ba lahat? Okay, now another, uh, I want to gauge your familiarity with industrial arts. So maybe ito yung uh, electives nyo nung high school or strand nyo nung junior high. So in a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 being complete novice. So rate yourself 1 to 10 in context of industrial arts 1. So maybe kung nasa 9 or 10 kayo, pero na kayong ano, established brand na related sa industrial arts. Negative 1. Siguro kung nasa 8 or 9 kayo, medyo questionable yan. Kasi kung ganyan pala kayo kagaling sa industrial arts, bakit hindi kayo nag-industrial arts major? Bakit ICT major kayo? Di ba? So, normal lang yung mga ganyan. Okay, next is, that's your gauge for IA, di ba? Now, gauge uh, your familiar or your skill level. It can be in general about ICT. Kasi yun yung major kitulad ICT ko. So for ICT naman, i-gauge nyo yung ano, general grasp nyo with concept of ICT as of this moment. 1 to 10 ulit. Buong ICT in general. 10, 7.5. How about the others? Hmm. Pero siguro kayo nag-ICT major kasi very much interested kayo sa ICT. Kaya dito talaga kayo punta. Or baka naman, nasaraduhan kayo ng mga ICT courses talaga. Kaya ito yung napuntahan niyo. Kasi may word na ICT sa course. Diba? So, yun. Um, since this is our first meeting, we'll have an activity. Okay? So, huwag na kayo magpa kung sa unang araw ng meeting natin, mayroon tayong introduce yourself activity. Okay? So, for this activity, we'll have to modify introduce yourself. Okay? And you will have a a winner for this activity. Ano ba? Modified icebreaker activity. And merong winner. Yung magiging winner is exempted sa first activity natin next week. So next week, we'll have an activity, discussion with activity. Then graded yun, yung first graded activity. So, ang magiging sistema natin ngayon for this session, our icebreaker activity will have a winner. So actually more than one possible winner. Sa kabilang section, dalawa yung panalo. Naka last section is isa lang. So possible more than one yung mananalo. Okay? So this is a modified introduce yourself game. Alright? So for this activity, you have to open your web. Kasi diba? Ang awkward naman nun, hindi introduce yourself kasi hindi kayo naka-open cam. And you have to open your webcam. Hmm. Hindi to pakiramdam. Okay? So yung unang mag-open ng webcam. Dahil lahat kayo mag-open ng webcam. Okay. And for sure, guys, magiging hindi ito yung first time na magiging professor na ako. Okay? Yung mga third year ICT, uh, on average, so mga 7 beses nyo ako magiging professor. Yeah. Kasi ngayon, sa first semester, third year ICT, tatlo yung hawak sa kanila. Um, call center basics, video production, then print production. Then second sem, third year, uh, post-support documentation, audio production, tsaka ICT, sa ICT. So, maraming beses tayo magkakasama-sama. So, let's make this first meeting pleasant experience. Okay? Para magtuloy-tuloy yung good connection natin. So, very simple instruction lang naman. Icebreaker activity natin dyan. Okay? Just tell us your name and provide 3 interesting statement about yourself. So, it's called yung walang kamatayang 2 truths and 1 lie. Okay, so may nakapaglaro na ba ng 2 truths and 1 lie? Thumbs up kung na-encounter niyo na itong icebreaker activity na to. Isa lang. Okay. So, ganito yung mechanics. Okay? So, simple instruction lang to. Just tell us your name, then 3 interesting facts about yourself. It should be sensible. Alright? Meaning, dapat it makes sense and interesting. Walang yung mga obvious statements such as, let's say, I have 20 pesos inside my pocket right now. Walang mga ganun. Or, I have a notebook inside my backpack. Walang mga ganong statement. Make it sensible. Kasi, yun nga, as I mentioned, if you win this game, you will be exempted on your first graded PBT. And that's a big deal. Kasi, exempted meaning puno ka na kaagad kapag ikaw yung nanalo sa icebreaker activity nito. By the way, sino tong may pangalan na Inima? Paki-change yan sa yung full name. Dahil hindi pwede magkaroon ng spy sa Zoom session natin, paki-edit yan or else I will kick it out of this session. Sino yan si Inima? Magsalita ka na. Or else I will remove you. Hindi ka na makakabalik. Sinala niyo ba yan? Pwede kayo magsalita.
Ay, sir, ano pong pangalan po?
Yung ININAF Inima. Sino yan?
Ay, hindi po namin siya kilala, sir. Pero i-mention ko na lang po sa GC kung sino po.
Yes.
Pass ko po sa GC.
Pag kinik ko yan, hindi na makakabalik yan. Okay, so yun. As I mentioned, yun yung mechanics ng icebreaker activity natin. Your name and three interesting facts about yourself. Make sure na hindi pa alam ng mga classmates mo. Such as, for example, first statement, you have fraternal twins, di ba? Na hindi pa alam ng mga classmates mo. So, interesting yun. Or you graduated valedictorian, or you're the only child, which is hindi pa alam ng mga classmates mo, or you've been to other countries, or yun, mga interesting, or meron ka mga celebrity relatives. Something like that. Okay, so I'll give you 30 seconds. Come up with your three interesting statements about yourself. And we'll start. So wala na talaga ito sa Inima. I will remove this part now. I already given you a chance to justify your existence in the Zoom session. Pero wala. Yes, question.
Morning po, rinig po ako.
Yes.
Okay, sir, in terms po of two truths, one lie, pwede po bang may sama po, kunyari po mga tawag ito, childhood experiences po na interesting po para sa lahat, ganun?
Yeah, it can be anything, as long as it is in context of professionalism, okay, and acceptable
Oh,
in school settings.
thank you po.
So, pwede yan. Okay, we'll remove the screen. Mhm. May tanong pa ba? Yes, well, may tanong pa ba?
Wala na po, thank you po.
Okay, so naisip niyo ba kayo ng mga statements about yourself? I'll give you 30 seconds more, then we'll start. Okay? 30 seconds. Isip muna kayo. Okay, so I think we can start. By the way, ganito yung magiging mechanics. For example, ang mauuna si Rihanna. Provide siya 3 statements. Then, after niya ma-provide yung 3 statements, magbobotohan lahat. Okay? Kung ano doon sa tatlo na yun, yung sa tingin nyo na lie. For example, first statement, that's what we think that's the lie. Wala tayo na ganyan. Sa isa, once mo pwede pumoto. Yung second statement, or so on and so forth, the third, yan. Bobotohan tayo. Kung ano sa tingin nyo yung lie. Okay? So, ang magbibigay ng statement na walang makakahula na lie yun, akala nila true, yun yung mananalo. So, ganun lang. We can have as many winner as we can. Alright? So, clear na? So, mahirap yung first graded activity natin, drawing sa agad yun. So, malaking bagay kung may exempted ka. Kasi, uno ka na automatic. So, galingan nyo. Make your statement sensible and interesting. And kahit more than 1 year na kami kasama, hindi pa rin alam ng mga classmates. So, yun yung strategy para manalo ka. Alright, so thumbs up if you are ready. Di ba kayo ready? Thumbs up. So, Doctor, hindi naman kayo mauuna kung thumbs up kayo. Continue, vote the others. Okay, so to be fair sa inyo, I will be the first one to provide 3 statements para alam niyo rin yung mechanics. Bumubutuhan kayo. So, hindi ko pa na-introduce yung sarili ko. My name is Gino Perez. Okay. So, 7 letters na yung first and last name ko. I hope you won't forget that. And the 3 statements about myself is, una, I'm a licensed scuba diver. Pangalawa, my course in college is tourism management. And pangatlo, I live in a condo unit. So yeah. So that's the 3 statements. I'm a licensed scuba diver, tourism management yung course ko ng college, and I live in a condo. So magboto lang kayo kung ano sa tingin niyo yung lie doon. First one, if you think first one is the lie, you type 1. You think the second one, which is tourism management, 2. And if you think the third statement, which is the I live in a condo, then you type 3. So ganun lang. Real time tayo magbubuto. Okay, so again, first statement, I'm a licensed scuba diver. Second, tourism management is my course in college. Third, I live in a condo unit. Okay, go. Magbaba na kayo. So, ganun lang. Yan, yan. Pipiliin nyo lang kung ano sa tingin nyo yung lie. So, ganun lang. Very simple mechanics. Alright, very good. Kuha nyo na yung mechanics. So, ang lie dyan sa statement na yun ay number 1. Okay, so ano lang, pangarap, maging licensed scuba diver. So, ganun lang. So, any volunteer who wants to go first? Hindi kayo nakakaya dito. Uno ka agad sa unang activity. Wala mag-volunteer? Sige.
Mina lang po,
I'll run.
sir.
Sige, go Elton.
Ayan. So, a very pleasant and a blessed evening, everyone. Lalo na sa ating pinakagwapong professor, Sir Gino Raz, over naman para sa exemption. Anyways, I am John Elton Flores, 19 years old, from the province kung saan maraming sibuyas at bigas, kung saan maraming agwapo at gwapa, Nueva Ecija. Ayan. So, ang three statements ko po, firstly I used to be a radio broadcaster way back in senior high school. Ayan, yun po yung first statement ko. I used to be a radio broadcaster in senior high school. Second, the inspiration for my name came from the famous singer named Elton John. Again, the second statement is the inspiration for my name came from the famous singer named Elton John. And third is ako po ay bunso sa amin pong magkakapatid. So yun po. Again, the third
Okay.
one is ako po ay bunso sa aming magkakapatid. Yun lamang po.
Alright, sige, bumoto na kayo guys. Kung ano sa tingin nyo yung lie doon. Oh, by the way, yung mga kailangan lahat mag-participate ha. I will also audit the transcript of this Zoom session. And kapag na-identify ko yung mga hindi nagpa-participate, merong -5 sa ating quiz. So, crucial yung participation nyo dito. Okay, so going once, going twice. Lahat ba nakaboto na? And close ko na yung thread. And just, okay, you can now spill the tea. John Elton.
Ayan. So yung lie po dun sa three statements ko ay yung second statement ko po. Which is yung inspiration po ng name ko ay nanggaling sa famous singer. Hindi po. Okay? Nanggaling po yung name ko from my late brother. Ang palayaw po niya ay Elton. So siya po yung inspiration talaga. Hindi po yung singer.
Okay. So, nice. Huwag na lang kilala ka ng mga classmates mo.
Hindi ko nga po alam,
Next.
sir, kung bakit nila alam.
Okay. Ganito, Elton, you will call the next one. Ganun yung maging sistema natin. And so on and so forth.
Okay po. So, ang next po natin ay si Miss Rihanna Goho na lang po. Miss Rihanna Goho.
Mute ka, Rian. Excuse.
Hindi raw po niya ma-on yung mic niya. So, si ano na lang po, si Miss Shaira Sanorias na lang po yung next. Miss
Okay, sige.
Shaira, ready ka na ba?
Ayusin mo yan. Shadow na. Pakibilisan lang natin at baka abutin tayo ng hating gabi. 40 kayo.
Miss Zyril, ikaw na lang.
Remember yun.
Okay, so good evening, everyone, and to our professor. My name is Zyril P. Santos, and here are my three statements. First statement, I have two step siblings. Okay, first statement, I have two step siblings. Second, I recently got into an accident and was confined in a hospital. Again, second statement, I recently got into an accident and was confined in a hospital. And last statement, my mother's name is Vilma Santos. Again, third statement, my mother's name is Vilma Santos.
Okay, so, dumotin kayo guys. Step sibling, got into accident, and Vilma Santos is her mother's name. Going once, going twice. Going fries and close. Okay, so you can now spill the tea.
Okay po, so ang lie po ay ang second statement. Hindi po ako na-confine sa ospital, sa bahay lang po ako nagpagaling. Yun po.
It's a big long. Okay. So for the next ones, I will.
For the next one po, I choose Jason Ann po.
Jesus, where are you?
Ayan, naririnig po ba ako, sir?
Yes.
Okay, isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Jaisel Ann M. Tablada, 19 years old from Tansa, Cavite. Yung three statement ko po is, first, ever since I was a child po, pinangarap ko pong maging nurse. Yung second naman po is, yung mother ko po is meron po siyang 100K plus followers sa Facebook. And then yung third naman po is, yung papa ko po is amo niya po si Andrew Lee. Yun po.
So, first statement, boto na kayo guys. Nurse, 100K followers, mother na din. Boss na papa niya sa MPP. Okay. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, so spill the tea.
Yung false statement po dun is yung number 1. Pinangarap ko lang pong maging nurse recently lang po nung senior high po ako. Yun lang.
Okay, so unfortunately, walang nursing sa Philippines. Pero ang pinakamalapit is, I think, the nutrition, bro. Nutrition and dietetics.
Yes po. Kaso naubos na po yung slot ng date ko.
Oh. So, alam mo ba yan sila doon? Meron sila mga education subjects sa nutrition and dietetics. Nakapagturo ko din ng methods of teaching. Mga third year na BSME. And natatalino mga yun. Sa isang section, during the board exam, sa isang section 5 yun papasok sa kanila sa top 10 ng board exam. So, what an amazing section. Okay. Next, call the next one, Jason. Good luck na come. Okay. Ayun.
For the yung susunod ko pong tatawagin ay si John Kyle Damolo po.
Okay. Go, Kyle.
Hello po, sir. Am I audible po?
Yes.
So, I am John Kyle Idamolo po. And my first statement is, I can crack my knuckles so many times. And second statement is, nag-aaral ako ngayon ng ibang language bukod sa Filipino and English. And my third statement is, nanalo ako ng championship sa basketball.
Okay. Alin ulit, Kyle, yung first statement mo?
Kaya ko po i-crack yung knuckles ko po ng maraming beses.
Okay. Knuckles. Pagdaman naman, guys. Magbatuhan na kayo. Parang ano, no? Parang nakakaasar kapag sinare mo yung achievement mo. Tapos majority sinabi na liar. Parang napaka-doubtful nila sa'yo. Pero kapag totoo naman, di ba? Parang sinabi mo na valedictorian ka, tapos lahat sinabi liar. Para di sila naniniwala sa'yo. Okay, so what's the lie there?
Yung lie po, sir, yung nanalo po ako ng championship sa basketball.
So at least, kilalang kilala pa din. Pero nagpa-basketball ka talaga, Kyle.
Yes po, sir.
Anong height mo?
5'9" po.
Okay. So, call the next one.
Yung next po, sir, si Julian Perk.
Okay, go ahead, Julia. So, tatapos din tayo, guys. Stop it lang. We have to endure this. At least, di ba, may mga bagay pa kayo na hindi nalalaman sa bawat isa. Okay, go ahead, Julian. Ano na, Julian? Tawa ka ng tawa dyan. Salita ka na. Hoy, nakamute ka.
Ayun, ulit po. Good evening po, sir. My name is Julian Kirk Castillo. I'm from Caloocan City, and here are my three statements po. First is, I taught myself drawing by watching YouTube. And second po, ano po, no father since birth po. And third statement po, I have multiple stitches on my body po. Ayun po.
Okay. So, pili na kayo, guys. All right. Going once. Going twice. Going thrice. And close. Okay, so ano yung lie doon, Julian?
Yung lie po sa mga statements ko is yung first statement po, which is yung natuto po ako mag-drawing sa panonood lang. Natuto lang po kasi ako, tinuruan lang po ako ng pinsan. And totoo po na no father since birth po ako. Yun lang po, thank you.
So, hashtag sinong relate. Ganyan sa kabilang section. Okay. Call the next one, Julian.
Yung next po, si Cristobal po, Michael Cristobal po.
To find Cristobal.
Hello, magandang gabi po. Am I audible po?
Yes.
Yes, good evening po. Ako po si Michael Kerviken J. Cristobal, but you can call me Nix. So for my three statements po, first is that I love watching horror movies. Second statement, I love to eat. And third po is I love to sing.
Okay. So, tahan na kayo, guys. Love horror, love to eat, and love to sing. Ay, kilalang kilala ka ng mga classmate mo. But hindi kayo madalas mag-face-to-face. Okay, so going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, so go, spill the tea.
So yung true po dun, yung lie po dun is yung number one po that I don't like po horror movies.
Okay. So, panoorin mo yung Hereditary. Magugustuhan mo yun. Yung favorite horror movie ko. Okay. So, since you love to sing, You need to show us your voice. Diba? That may sample. You love to sing, diba? So share to us your love of singing. We
Love?
want to hear it. We want to hear it. Ano ka na? Go.
Okay po, sige po. You say I'm sorry, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you told me, baby. Yun lang po.
Sorry. Pinuloy mo na. Okay, so very good. Okay, so we like it. Good job. Now call the next one.
So for the next one po, I would call to Mr. Del Rosario po.
Ito lang sa. Okay. Go. Nasaan si Del Rosario?
Am I audible po, sir?
Yes, Kyle.
Okay. My name is Caljomir Del Rosario po, and I'm 19 years old. For my first statement po is, me and my siblings are 12 years apart. And for my second statement naman po is, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. And for my third statement naman po is, I'm very good at archery.
Archery. Okay. So, boto kung saan yung lie doon. The 12 years old apart, the solve the Rubik's, or archery. Okay. All right. So going once, going twice, going twice, and toss. Okay. So what's the lie?
Yung lie po doon, sir, is yung statement number 3 po. Yung hindi po ako marunong mag-archery.
Okay. So wala tayo kasing facility sa archery sa PUP. And kailangan mo ng experience bago ka matanggap. Alam mo, nagpo-practice sila dun sa may diba, ESRs, which is parang questionable yung safety. Kasi parang may mga estudyante yung dumadaan. Then dun sila nagpa-practice ng archery. But anyway, call the next one. Okay.
For the next one po is, I'll call Mr. Randolph Wayne Diamos po.
Okay. So the number is...
Rinig po ba, sir?
Yes, Randolph. Go.
So, ito po yung first statement. Marunong pa ako mag-volleyball. Second statement, marunong ako lumangoy. Third statement, gusto ko po yung matcha na coffee.
Yung alin? Matcha?
Yung matcha po.
Okay. So, volleyball. Okay, going once, going twice, going twice, and close. So what's the lie there, Randolph? Diamos, you can now tell us. Hello, can you hear us? Can you hear me, Randolph?
Sorry. Si Benedict po yung next step.
Okay. So, ano yung lie doon? Sino ba yung kausap ko?
Sorry, di pala.
So, anong number ng statement? Yung lie.
Yun po, yung third statement.
Ano? Ang hina. The third one. Okay. So,
Yung next po is si Benedict.
Okay, go Ben. Oh, by the way, ano pa lang, meron tayong isang winner na exam. Okay, so sana madagdagan pa para less yung checkan ko. But so far, one na yung exam ko sa section. Go Benedict. Ano na, bilisan mo. Hello? Susalita ka na ba? Nakamute ka yata. Guys, nasaan na siya? Okay. Hello? Wala ako naririnig. May susalita na ba siya? I'll call the next one na lang. Yung gusto mag-volunteer, pwede na. Mauna. Mag-raise kayo ng hand. If you want to go first. Okay, go Shaira.
Good evening po. I am Shaira Jane B. Sanarias, 19 years old po from Quezon City. So, yung first statement ko po is mahilig po ako sa kahit ano pong matcha, drinks, snacks, or basta pag matcha po favorite ko. Yung second statement ko po is lagi po akong may dalang Gaviscon. And then yung third statement ko po is half Mexican po yung father ko kaya madalas po napapansin yung mata and ilong ko po kasi doon ko raw po nakuha.
Okay. Oh, so your classmates are saying na hindi ka mahilig sa matcha. So, going once, going twice, and close. So, ano yung lie doon?
Yung lie po doon is yung first po. Hindi po talaga ako mahilig sa matcha.
Okay. Your classmates know you too well. Cannot lie with them. Okay, call the next one. Okay, volunteer. Raise your hand. Kung gusto niyo ng makapag-relax. Si Rihanna. Pwede na yung mic ni Rihanna.
Good evening po, sir. My name is Rihanna Colleen Igoho. I am 19 years old and I am from Mandaluyong City. Ang first interesting fact about me is I have an adopted sibling. Second is I was once face-to-face with Barbie Fortesa. Third is I love going outside. Ayun lang.
Okay. So, boto na kayo guys. May adopted sibling si Rihanna. Naka-face-to-face siya na si Barbie Forteza. And she love going outside. Okay. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. So, what's the line? Rihanna.
The lie po is yung pang third one. Lagi lang po ako,
Oh,
pero I don't like going outside. And meron po akong adopted sibling. And naka-face-to-face ko po si Barbie Fortesa when I went to Intramuros last month po.
okay. Ako naka-face-to-face ko siya. Si Catherine Bernardo. Nag-shooting sila sa PUP. So, may picture kami magkasama. So, next. Call the next one, Rihanna.
Si Ira po.
Ira?
Batalyon.
Okay. So, Ira Nicole.
Good
Dito
evening
ka sa
po,
baba.
sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Irene Nicole Bataluna, 18 years old. Ang unang statement ko po is, ang mother ko po ang nagpalaki kay Pastillas Girl at sa lahat ng mga kapatid niya. Ang second statement ko po is, nabaril po ako ng tatay ko nung 5 years old ako. Ang third statement ko po is, mahilig po ako mag-sea diving.
Napaka-unhinged na mga statements mo. Okay. Wait lang. Na-close ko ba kanina? Okay. So, yeah, magbutuhan na kayo. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, so we're excited to know which one is the irony call.
Yung third statement po, hindi po ako marunong sa malalim na dagat. Lumangoy.
Okay. So, the baril naman. Papa mo na aksidente. Okay. So that's quite shocking, Ira. Oh, man. You almost won. Okay, hindi pala. Marami pala. Bumoto ng number 3. Okay, Ira Nicole, call the next one.
Gabriel Cavan po.
Oh, Gabriel, are you with us right
Ayan.
now?
Rinig po ba, sir?
Yes.
Ayan. Good evening, everyone. I am Gabriel Abraham O. Caban. I am 19 years old and currently living at Mandaluyong City. The first statement about me is, I am the firstborn sa magkakapatid. And the second one is, I love playing online games. And the third one is, I live in a condo unit.
Okay. Sinupal-pal ka agad. Nala yung kondo unit. Okay. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. So what's the lie? May humabol.
Ang lie po dun, sir, is yung first statement. I am not the firstborn po. I am the second one. Yun lang po.
Oh, you almost won. Sayang. Okay. May isang outlier. All right. Thank you. Next. Volunteer, mag-raise ka na. Okay, John Michael.
Hello po, sir. Rinig po ako.
Yes.
Good evening po, sir. My name is John Michael Ibabaw and I'm 19 years old. I live currently in Manila. And the three statement ko po is, yung first statement po is, when I was a kid, I accidentally drink a full bottle of gasoline. Second is, nagka-dengue po ako nung elementary po ako. And third is, lagi po akong gala o gala po akong tao. Yun po.
Okay, let's go. Ito, gasoline, dengue, and medyo gala. Micro. Okay, going once, going twice, and close. All right. So what's the lie there?
Hello po, sir. Yung lie po is yung number 3 po, is hindi po ako gala. Either lagi po nasa bahay po.
So, kilala ka ng mga classmates mo. Hindi ka talaga gala. Okay, volunteer. Kailan mag-volunteer? Si Aslin. Go, Aslin.
Hello po. Audible po ba?
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Aslin Privado. I'm 19 years old, living in Cainta. Yung three statements ko po, first is, nanalo po ako ng school-based competition for news writing when I was in elementary. And second statement po is, nilalaban po ako nung national competition nung ako po ay nasa high school. Then, I used to be a major rep din po. Yun po yung third statement.
Major no, third statement. Okay. So, okay. Magboto na kayo guys kung ano sa tingin niyo yung lie doon. No hard feelings. Will they just have to choose? Okay. So, it doesn't mean dinadoubt kanila, but they just have to choose. They just need to answer major rep. Sampulan mo nga yan, pag totoo yan. Okay, going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, what's the lie?
Number 3 po, I used to be a major.
Okay, sayang, walang sample. Okay. By the way, meron na tayong dalawang winner. May dalawang exempted na. So, i-announce ko later kung sino-sino yun. Okay, volunteer? Natatapos din tayo. Wala. So, Aslin, magtawag ka nga. Yan, si Ralph na lang. Sige, si Ralph na. Itaas mo si Ralph.
Narinig po ako?
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me. So nakikita niyo po sa ko sa meetings ko po, dalawa yung aking tawag ito. Dalawa yung account ko, pero ginagamit ko lang po isa para sa mic. So, okay, introduction ulit. Good evening everyone. My name is Ralph Aaron Agustin Cruz, and I'm currently hailing from Caloocan City. Now, for my three statements, tawag dito. Yung isa po dito, halatang truth, tapos yung dalawang lie. Wait, no, yung isa truth, yung isa halatang truth, tapos yung dalawa naman traumatizing masyado. Okay, una, first statement, I was named Ralph Aaron because my grandparents wanted my name to start with an R, like my father. Okay, that is my first statement. Let's see. Second statement. Second statement. I once set someone on fire during a camping trip and got the one I set on fire punished instead of me. Ayun po yung second statement ko. And now for my third and final statement. I once swam in a wave pool when I was little, drowned, lost consciousness, and now have a fear of waves. Thank you po.
Very casual. Earlier, I set someone on fire. Next statement. Pero wala lang. Okay, so yeah, you can vote now. Set someone on fire. Well, the closest thing about setting someone on fire is nung high school ako. Grabe pala mag-combust yung buhok. Napakabilis. Nung nagdala ng lighter yung classmate ko. Ginano ko lang sa buhok ng classmate ko. Then biglang nagsilang. Ang baho sa klase, parang may sinulog na animal. Silat kagad eh. Ayun. Hindi pa trouble. So, what's the lie there? Ralph?
Okay. Okay.
Ang aking lie ay yung pangatlo. Opo, yung pangatlo po yung ano ko.
Sayang. Buti ka na rin na. Pero, okay. So, thank you for help. And next volunteer, wala. So, Ralph, call the next one. Si Akisha. So, Akisha.
Strictly po ba? Medyo mahina po kasi yung internet.
Yeah, malino naman.
Okay po. So, good evening everyone. My name is Akisha Mikel J. Flores from QC Girl. And here is my statements po. First is I can play ukulele. Second, my hobby is tailoring. Yun yung second. And last or third is I have a YouTube account with 2 million views. Yun po.
Sabi niya, wala yung 2 million views kasi ano na siya, 10 million views. Okay, so going once, going twice. And what's the lie? There. Okay siya. Sabihin mo na.
Oo, sir. Sorry. Nagcha-chubby po kayo, sir.
Okay, sabihin mo na yung lie.
So, yung lie po is my hobby is tailoring. Yan po.
So number 2. Okay. So kilala ka pa yung mga classmates mo. Pero sige, yung kanina, mag-join lang ulit siya. Pwede naman siya pumasok. Okay, so going back. Next, kay Akisha. May mga volunteer. Yeah, si Francis.
Si ano po, sir? Si Adit. Ay, may nag-volunteer na.
Si Francisco.
Rinig po.
Yes.
Hello po. I'm si Francis Jerome E. Francisco. Ang first statement ko po is mahilig po ako mag-computer. Yun po yung first statement ko. Then, second, gusto ko po maging sundalo. Ang second statement ko po is gusto kong magsundalo. Then, third statement ko po is pamangkin po ako ng isang contractor ng flood control project. Yan lang po.
So, going once, going twice, going twice. And just, so ano yung line?
Yung lie po dun is pamangkin po ako na, hindi po ako pamangkin ng contractor po. Yun po yung lie.
So, wala ka ng mga classmate mo. Hindi mo ba sila manuloko? Okay, so call the next one. Si Andrea. Si Andrea na nag-volunteer. Go, Andrea.
Good evening po, sir. Audible po ba?
Yes.
Okay po. So, my name is Andrea Paderes po, and I am 19 years old from Cavite. My first statement is, I spent hours watching a YouTube video, Blender. Second statement po, I have experienced coding a game in Unity and gumawa po ako ng isang 3D racing game. Simple lang naman po siya. Tapos, and last statement ko po is, hindi ko po gusto yung sinigang.
Well, wala ako. Pa-YouTube Premium pa rin. Wala, tama ba? Ito sabi. Okay. So, Andrea, are you with us?
I-reveal ko na po, sir.
So,
So, ang line po doon ay yung first statement po. Hindi po ako marunong gumamit ng blender po.
okay. Okay, kaya pala. Akala ko yun about sa YouTube yung first statement mo. Ang hirap ng Zoom, no? Hindi tayo nakakaintindihan. By the way, nakita niyo naman yung schedule natin ng face-to-face, di ba, guys? So, 7 weeks tayo mag face-to-face. Starting last week ng September up until first week ng January. So, hopefully, maximize natin yung oras na yun. Okay, so next, call the next one. Volunteer. Konti na lang, guys. Sige, si Adelaide.
Sir, rinig po.
Yes.
Good evening po. I'm Adelaide Marie P. Magdangal. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Quezon City. And my first statement is, I like going out and enjoy exploring new places. My favorite color is black. And I am related to Jolina Magdangal.
Mhm. Well, I hope that's true. Sorry, ayaw nila maniwala na related ka kay Jolina Magdangal. So, si Jolina Magdangal yung ang reyna ng pop culture ng 90s. Siguro kayo hindi ko alam yun kasi hindi ko kayo pinapanganak pero si Jolina Magdangal talaga yung sentro ng pop culture ng 90s. Okay. So, ano yung lie doon, Adelaide?
Yung lie po, yung second statement po, my favorite colors po is pink.
Promise, di ba? Related kay Jolina Magdangal. So, how are you related to Jolina Magdangal?
Yes po. Third cousin ko
Yeah.
po siya.
I see. Yung student ko din last year, connected siya kay ano. Kilala mo si Rochelle Carino, yung leader ng sex bomb. Yeah, it's like cousin also. Okay, that's good to know. So, next, volunteer. None. Oh yeah, si Gwyneth. Go Gwyneth. Okay. Tapos din tayo lahat.
Hello po, rinig po ako.
Yes.
Good evening everyone, I am Gunete Jose. So here's my 3 statements. First, meron pong naging BFF yung mama ko na isang sikat na singer. Next po, yung pangalawa naman, 3 kaming magkakapatid and ako po yung panganay. Third po is may alaga kaming aso, pusa, isda, at saka meron din pong tarantula sa bahay namin.
Ooh. So, yeah, feeling of the guys. Okay, going once, going twice, and close. So what's the line?
Yung pangalawa po, dalawa lang po kaming magkakapatid and ako po yung bunso, hindi po ako panganay.
Okay. I see. So, sa face-to-face natin, dali mo yung tarantula mo para ma-experience ng mga classmate mo. Okay, Gwyneth. Dali mo Gwyneth. Okay.
Magagalit po yung tatay ko.
Sayang naman.
Sa kanya po
Sabi mo,
kasi yun eh.
sabi mo gusto ma-experience ng mga classmate mo. Para may thrill, di ba? Okay, so, well, joke lang yun. Ako may dalim talaga. Okay, next is volunteer, please. Go, Ralph, Joseph.
So, hello everyone. My name is Ralph Joseph C. Sarto. I'm 19 years old. Nakatira sa Quezon City. My three statement about myself is, nung senior high school po, isa po akong varsity player ng volleyball team. Sa second statement ko naman po ay, mahilig po ako magluto. At sa third statement ko po ay, nag-aalaga po ako ng manok.
Okay. So, pili na kayo, guys. Grabe naman kayo kay Ralph. Hindi ba siya mukhang varsity? Pero, kailangan ng nila mamili. Huwag mong damdamin yung choices nila. Okay, going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. So, what's the lie there? Ralph?
Yung po, hindi po ako varsity ng ng senior high school ko po.
Okay. So, last 2 years ago, may estudyante ako. Pinakamatangkad yung estudyante ata si Joel Marcel. Yung kay ka 6'5". Okay, so co-edit siya. So, napakatangkad. Varsity siya naging varsity siya ng PUC. Okay, so next is volunteer, please. Yan, si Jasmine.
Reading po ako, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jasmine Sirilico. I am 20 years old. Ang first statement ko po is may kakambal po ako. Second statement po, nakasayaw na ako sa stage. Pangatlo po, nakakyat po ako sa stage nung graduation ng elementary.
Okay. So, pili guys. Alam nila na wala akong ball. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. So what's the lie?
So what? Ang live po, hindi po ako nakaakyat sa stage ng graduation dahil nasa hospital po ako.
So number 3 yung lie.
Opo, number 3.
All right, very good. You're our third winner. So si Jasmine ang ating pangatlong winner. Okay, very good. Next, si Moralde. O, diba guys? Hindi nyo alam na may kakambal si Jasmine.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Go, Anne.
Hi po, good evening. I am Princess from Taguig City, 20 years old. So first interesting fact about me is nag-snorkeling ako last year kasama yung mga turtles. Second interesting fact is nung bata ako, recruit ako para mag-audition sa Guwing Bulilit. The interesting fact is nakapag-hiking kami sa Mount Sunda.
Okay. So, snorkeling, going to hiking. So, pili. Going once, going twice, and close. What's that lie there?
Yung lie po dun, sir, is yung, ano po, wait lang. Yung lie po dun, sir, is yung nag-hiking po ako sa Mount Sunda. Kasi po, technically, yung Mount Sunda po is sa Indonesia pa po yun. And isa lang po yung Roblox game.
Okay. So thank you, Princess. And volunteer, please. Makatulog na tayo. Maaga pa ako bukas. Pupunta ako sa PUP. Wala? Volunteer? Tapos na ba lahat? Feeling ko tapos na lahat. Tapos na lahat, no? Yan, si Karil pala. Si Karil. Go, Karil. Madami pa pala.
Hello po, sir. Dinig po, sir.
Oh, pero hindi ka namin nakikita. Ipakita ka sa amin.
Ay. Kita po ba?
Dami lang kita.
Okay na po yun, sir.
Ikaw lang, sige.
Ano po? Hello po. I'm Karil L. Suleiman po, 19 years old, and I'm from Bulacan po. My first statement po is, I have a sister po. Second, pinangarap ko po maging teacher ng bata ako. And yung last po, yung family ko po may taniman po ng talong sa Bulacan. Yun lang po.
Okay. So, photo guys, my sister, yung teacher, then may taniman sila ng talong sa Bulacan. Boto na kayo guys. Hindi daw sila naniniwala. Pinangarap ko maging teacher.
Hindi naman talaga teacher, gusto niya eh.
Well, lahat naman tayo, kahit po. Hindi ko na-imagine maging teacher. Okay. So, what's the lie there?
Yung last statement po, sir. Yung taniman po ng talong.
Oh, gusto niya pala maging teacher talaga eh.
Yung bata na po, sir, dahil na po yung sa regalo. Madami daw pang regalo.
Nung bata
Okay na
ka.
po. Opo.
Okay. Munti ka na din manalo. Okay. So, volunteer. Sige, si Mac.
Hello, rinig ko ako.
Yes.
Ito, I am Mac Vincent Del Villar when I am from Pasay City, and these are my 3 statements. My first statement is I won a spelling bee contest on high school. The second statement is I started working out since last week. Then the third statement is I went I've been to a different country.
Okay. So, boto kayo guys. Nangyari ng spelling bee, working si Mac, and been to other countries. Okay, going once, going twice. And, okay. So, ano yung lie doon? Mac?
So the lie was statement number 3. I haven't been in any country.
Okay. So, yun na. Okay, si Patrick James ang next.
Sa rinig po.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I am Patrick James Gonzalez Sabral. And my 3 statements is First, gustong gusto ko matulog. Tsaka yung second po, mahilig ako kumain. Then yung third, mahilig ako mag-observe, especially ng mga tao.
Okay. Going once, going twice, going thrice, going toast. Nose. Okay, so what's the lie there?
Yung statement number 1 po.
So hindi ko na ipasok. Okay, thank you. Next is si Rain.
Narinig po ba ako, sir?
Yes.
Hi po. Ako si Rain Guerrevela. Nakatira po ako ngayon sa Quezon City, Barangay Tatalon. Ang three statement ko pa ay, ang una, meron po kapatid. And pangalawa naman po is, muntikan na ako mamatay sa pagbabike. At pangatlo, gustong gusto ko sa mga mataong lugar.
Sige lang, butuhan lang kayo dyan. Okay, going once, going twice. And what's the lie there? Bring. Okay, are you with us? Hello?
Ano po doon, yung lie po doon yung number 3. Ayaw na ayaw upo sa maraming tao.
Sige. So next is si Denise Capistrano.
Ayun po, sir. Audible po.
Yes.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. I am Denise Altea Diaz Capistrano, 19 years old from Pandacan, May. From 4th to 3rd floor at nagpatahi po ang side ng ulo ko. Second, hindi ako nahulog sa motor nung nagpa-practice po ako magmotor kasama ang tatay ko. And third, I love sketching and making charcoal art in my free time. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Okay. Sige, makikita mo namin yung So ano yung guide ko?
So yung answer po is number 2. Nahulog po ako sa motor nung nagpa-practice po ako magmotor. Kasi po, hindi po ako marunong bumalanse. So nabasag po yung lips ko. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Yun na, kasi bike mo na pag-aralan mo bago motor. Okay, so si John Doe na tayo. John Doe.
Hello po, rinig po ako, sir.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is John Delroy Didilao and I'm living in Quezon City. Ito po yung tatlong statement ko. Unang statement po is, I have two oldest sister. Then yung pangalawa po na statement is, takot po ako sa dugo. And yung pangatlo po is, interesado po ako sa pagbabike.
Okay. So, keep it guys. Takot sa dugo, number 2. Okay. Going once, going twice, then close. Okay. What's the lie there?
Yung lie po
Right.
is yung number 3 po.
So hindi interesado sa pagbabike. That's exactly what would someone who doesn't have interest in biking would say. Okay, so next S. Josiah.
Hello po, my name is Josiah Reyes Constantino. My first statement po, I'm very extroverted. My second po, I like learning about tanks. And the third one is, um, nagpunta na po kami sa Japan.
Ano yung second statement mo? You love learning about drugs?
Hindi po, tanks po, tangke.
Buti mali yung binig ko. So, pili. Okay, ano yung going once, going twice? Okay, what's the lie?
Yung one po, yung extroverted po.
Oh, okay. So, introverted ka. Okay. So, alam ng mga classmates mo na pumunta ka ng Japan. Yung I have a student, nanalo siya last year. Sabi niya, sa Japan siya nag-spend ng sem break niya. Tapos lahat ng classmate niya, binoto yun yung lie. Hindi nila alam na yun pala yung totoo. Wala lang, careful. So, di siya post. Next is, di ba ba di tapos? Sige. Sige, Jason. Kaya magbaba ka na ng kamay mo, Roy. Sino hindi ko ba tapos? Wait lang Si Lance. So, Lance.
Hello po. I'm Lance Bertrand. And I live in Sampaloc, Manila. And ang first statement ko po is, yung senior high po, ang strand ko po is ABM. And yung pangalawa naman po is, I play volleyball. And then yung pangatlo naman po is, ComSci po, yung priority program po, yung college.
Okay, sige. So, pamili na kayo, guys. And 3, 2, 1, 0. Done. Okay, so what's the lie there?
Ang lie po is yung number 3. Accountancy po yung priority program po.
Okay. Sige. Next is U1.
Ako po ay si Pimentel Juan Miguel. Ako nakatira sa Cavite. My first statement is, my mother is in a band and a singer. My second is, I had 3 exotic pets. And my third, I have been...
Sorry, what's the third one? Naputol ka? Or na-disconnect ako? Can you repeat your third statement? U1. Naputol yung audio na U1.
Naputol ko ba? My first statement is, my mother is in a band and a singer. Second is, I had 3 exotic pets. And the last one is, I have been to a shooting range with my grandpa.
Shooting program, father. Okay, what's the kung totoo to, sana dala ng exotic pets. Si U1. Joke lang yun. Okay, so what's the lie there? Going once, going twice, and close. What's the lie there, U1?
The lie is number 3. Pero sana gusto.
So ano yung exotic pet mo?
Hedgehogs po. 3 hedgehogs naman.
I see. Hedgehog. Parang si Sonic, di ba? Hedgehog si Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. Yun ba yung, matulis ba yung balahibo? Hindi naman.
Matulis po.
Oh, I see. Okay. Next one is si Lay. After ni Lay, so ikaw na Jason, i-paste mo na lang sa chat box. Okay, so go Lay.
Good evening po, sir. I'm Leia Africa Odatiles, and my three statement is yung una, nung bata ako, nakatry na akong umipak ng sigarilyo. Pangalawa, nabunggo na ako ng motor. And pangatlo, nung LM ako, nag-repeat ako ng grade.
Okay. Hardcore yung mga statement mo. Okay, so pili kayo guys. Kumipak. Kumipak na bundol, naging repeater. Diba? Tag life lahat. Okay, so what's the lie there?
Yung ano po, statement 3 po.
Okay, thank you, Lenny. Tapos, di ba, di ka naging repeater. Pero buti, okay ka lang. Paano ka nabundol ng motor?
Habang nagbabike po ako, collision po,
Okay,
halos.
ingat. Kasi si, mo na si Jason, i-chat niya lang yung mga statements niya. Kasi walang audio siya sa Comfort. Go, Jason. Pwede mo nang i-paste sa GC. Okay, sa video. Hindi uso yung sleep sa mga Gen Z. Yung alas 9 ng gabi sa inyo. Ano na to sa inyo? Alas 3 ng hapon sa inyo to. Di ba? Normal na tulog na mga alas 4 eh. Okay. So, going once, going twice. And what's the lie there? Grayson. Oh, the say bakit? Okay. So, yun kasi yung default sports ng mga lalaki. Usually kapag hindi ka nagbabasket, parang unusual. Pero iba naman kasi sports is chess or volleyball. Thank you, Jason. Okay, malapit na tayo matapos, guys. Si Francis Jesus Lugo ang ating next.
Dinig po, sir.
Yes, narinig naman.
Hello po, ako po si Francis Jesus Lugo from San Juan City. At ang three statement ko, una, never pa ako nakasali sa school field trip. Pangalawa, kasali ako sa isang esports organization. At lastly, alam ko yung number ni Wally Bayola.
Oh, that's quite specific. Okay, so never naka-attend ng field trip, esports organization, then alam niya yung number ni Wally. Okay, so going once, going twice. Ano yung lie doon?
Number 2 po. Di pa ako kasali po.
Okay. Pero ano ka naman, naglalaro ka ng esports.
Hindi, sir. Nood lang.
Okay. Anong pinapanood mo?
Yung ano, sir, yung ano ba yun? League of Legends yun, sir. Nood lang.
Okay. Sige. Ba't mo alam yung number ni Juan? Ha? Wala lang, curious lang. Bakit alam mo yung number 12? Nasaan sila mo?
Kasi sir, dati kasi malapit dito nakatira yun nung nasa sila, Broadway Centrum pa.
Oh, I see. So, nasa Aurora Boulevard yun pa?
Yes po.
Oh, I see. So, sino ba dito po? Si Mike Angel, De La Cruz. Okay, we cannot hear you. Nagsasalita ako na ba? Mike Angel, where are you? We can't hear anything. So, wala ka lang ito. Okay, sige, chat mo na yun. Sino ba yung dito po? Para tapos si Mike after mo magsalita. Si Mike na lang yung last. Guys, si Mike na lang yung last ha. Okay. Sige na. Ang hirap pala naman natin. Paano kapag mag-face to face tayo? Susulitin natin na alas 9 ng gabi. May mga taga Bulacan ba dito? Sana sa thumbs up nga kung meron. Kung paano yung buhay nyo kapag may face to face tayo? Ay, mga plus 12 na kayo nakaka-work. Okay, so, yeah, pili. Si Mike is nag-work sa call center, may magpuyat, hater ng Aldab. Hater ng Aldab. Yung tamang pinakuha scholar siya ng Aldab. May scholar pala yung Aldab. No? Going once, going twice, and going twice. Okay. Sabihin mo na kung ano yung live. Sir 3 yung live. Kumapsin pa ako ng dati. Yeah, that was exactly 10 years ago. No? Naalala ko yun eh. Exactly 10 years ago. 2015. Bare months of 2015. So, sobrang fresh pa ng memory ko sa Aldab niyan. Okay. So, I think we're all done. So, we can now open our webcam for the Mr. President. President and Secretary, help me track the attendance, please. Pakibigyan na pakinote yung mga absent for this session. Okay. So, announce ko muna yung winner. Ano ba yun? Of course, Jasmine. And ano? Si Jasmine, si yan. Si Cyril, si Jasmine, si Cyril, tsaka si Rihanna. So, tatlo silang exempted sa... Palakpakan naman na sila. Magaling sila maglaro. Okay. So, 1, 2, sama ka ba? Diesel?
Opo, sir. Wala pong nakahula sa akin kahit isa po. Paglalaban ko to, sir. Weakness ko yung drawing.
Sure ka? Sige. So, 4 kayo. si Jason, si Rihanna, si Zaire, tsaka si Jasmine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, for attendance purposes. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, so see you on Tuesday. Goodbye, everyone. Nice meeting you all. See you on Tuesday. Goodbye. Good
Thank you
night.
po, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po,
Thank you po, sir. Thank you po.